on, fish, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on. Calling in all fish. Ruffles. Probably the best chips on the planet. And then we got Gatorade Zero. Stay hydrated. It's been a long day. Slow fishing. But we're getting a mark. There you go. Fish on. Fish on. It's a fast bugger. Oh, we got her. We got her. Look at that. Come on. Got her on the paddle bug. Got the back hook stuck in the, looks like wrapped up in the dorsal fin. Good. Slow day fishing. Got that. It's about probably a 10-incher. Nothing huge. We're just gonna let it go. Nice. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. It's the first fish of the day. Been here since 9 o'clock. So yeah, it's been a long one, but we ain't skunked now, so that's nice. We're gonna bait her up again with some mealworms. Heck yeah. First fish of the day. Well, ice fishing was not a complete bust, but pretty much a bust. My hair is a wreck because of this awesome clam beanie that my brother-in-law got me for Christmas. And shout out to Becky for making me the coolest hoodie in the world. Jordo's Outdoors embroidered it for me, and now I'm ready to go home. The only fish I caught was like 10 inches. It was fun, but could have used some more action. And I got stuck 3 times trying to get here, so